Mzansi, Walla, South Africa. Welcome to another episode of Kasi Hustlers. I'm your boy Opa Mafumane, and today I'm afraid to see Klipspruit AKS and meeting one of the hustlers. She will tell us her story. Welcome to Kasi Hustlers.
Igama ubuhle uPhumethi Mzinyane. Ke ukhula ngikhulele eMilliolands ezweni 10. Ngaya ke ngithembe ukusebenza ngabona nje ukusebenza kimi ukuthi it's a waste of time. Asuka ngaza ngacabanga ngoba introducer ama public phone. I started to engage no Cell C one turn down. What already une somebody of Cell C. Then I came go MTN what it's fine. Aqala ngathenga container le. It was my first container. Yalile like Klipspruit ngasebenza esinoba bokunama challenge amaningi ngakuthenga ngakwazi ukuthi ngale ngakhona ukuvula yes2 icontainer yaba sezone 6 angasebenza still noma kunzima kunjalo but then I got another container yes3 it's a Free State ngoba aba 3 ama container. It was not easy business, but it business ifuna ube focus, discipline when it comes to money kakhulu. Ngoba that's a big issue. Yokuthi the most ama business amaningi it is discipline. Angakhona ukusurvive ngiqale 2005 until now. Here ngiqala nje le from 2005 until now 2025. Noma kunalo ma challenge, it's not so big, but it was a challenge with crime githi kakhulu na nezinye nje it's kuba ne competition, but competition I like ngoba mokune competition uba motivated kakhulu. Ezinye izinto yiyo ngithi discipline yakho business.
So lama container i3 asethe khona wonke
ngaphandle kwasezone 6 I sell A1 ngoba ngi1 okay bokunobaba besiba yi2 then he passed away ngasala ngi1 manje bosoku difficult kimi to manage with 3 but now ngisana le2 yile na le Free State. Then a Free State is not like now ukuthi sengine container kuphela. I'm doing another businesses ngale to supply izinto for abanye abama shop abanye nazo. Yes.
Okay, so as a Kasi hustler, mawuqala business azange ube ne fear.
Beyikhona yona fear iyaba khona kakhulu ukuthi will I make it or not?
Exactly.
Yona iba khona futhi sometimes moqala it's not easy ngoba business is not like I be fast iba slow ngoba kufuneka uzimakethe abantu baze bakwazi ukuthi reliable ukuthi bangaza kuwe ya understand ukuthi ne ukuthi bazothola le treatment sharp. That's it.
So then the challenges, how did you overcome them?
It's a discipline. Yokuthi if ever imali ukwazi ukuthi sebenza lo mali ukwazi ukuthi uyibeke ikwazi ukuthi igenerate another money ungathi mawuthola lo mali maybe do something ezinye izinto but ukwazi ukuthi le ye business mina njengami I don't take money ye business I've got created ukuthi ngine salary ya every month ukuthi mangabe ngenze so much ngine percentage engaka mangabe that month I pushanga but it's ngibeka nje ukuthi ngine salary ngakanani not take that money ukuthi ngisurvive yilo.
Okay, so the services ewenzayo la yini
now internet cafe.
Okay,
just to sell nama snacks for abantwana nabantu abazo sometimes browser ukwenza bayafuna nama airtime ne electricity nje to pay those electricity vouchers nje lezi zinto ezihambelana nama airtime. Yes.
Okay. Now being a woman, how do you feel ukuba a hustler, especially being a female and as you should then how does that make you strong?
That's a thing to motivate me to be strong. Yes, it's difficult abanye abantu banokuthi ngoba umama, but if everyone was jealous no lo kwenziwa bobaba I can do it. Akukho into ezongihlula. If ever noma ngihlangana nama challenges yes njenge as internet kuba nezinto ezintsha you have to learn ufunde ukwazi ukuthi nje ngizokwazi uzimela noma ngabe kuza ama challenge angakanani ngoba sometimes abobaba bano like umuntu omama afuna ukubhula ukuthi akutshele ya understand ukuthi wrong kangakanani but yena akaziboni umuntu wrong uzitshele nje ukuthi always ba right. Yes, kuba nzima kithi lokho kusesikhathi ngoba abantu ababobaba they don't respect us.
So sikhuluma nge 20 years of this business. So amapha amanye ama-goals wabhekile ukuthi okay now ngisurvive le 20 years manje ngifuna ukupusha another 20 years.
My goals now yes kunabantwana bengibatrainer.
Okay.
Abafundayo beza ngama weekend ngibanika that opportunity ukuthi ngoba ekolweni abanye ama computer they don't know computers abanye now even now my nje wish ukuthi if I can get ama computer more ngifundisa abantwana skills se computer kakhulu ngoba abantwana they don't know fana nabanye abantwana they wish ukuthi abanye abantwana abama parents abo abana data bayafisa ukufunda banama homework bafuna ukwenza ama print out benzeni if I could get those engiwishayo ukuthi mengaba nemali enough kakhulu abantwana bamantombazana. I wish nje ukuthi business to come and teach them how to run businesses ukuthi bafuneke ba handle kanjani nabo bafunde nje ukuthi how to open a business. Nama challenge ukhona ukuba explainela ukuthi yes it's not easy kunama challenge amaningi kakhulu. Yeah, understand ngoba noma sifuna ezinye izinto thina we don't get ama fundings but we try yiko ngithi nama student nawo asebenzayo aba teacher abanye sebaze bayishadile babo baba nabo mama abafundile ke bafunda ama computer nabo they say ukuthi we are happy ngoba leyo wasinika leyo chance ukuthi sifunde. Ngoba ngangibatshela ngithi it's not come ukuthi ngizohlala la angifuni umuntu the most yiyo ngithi ingathi abantu engibatrainile 95% bayasebenza bashaphu elife engibatrainile. I wish ngiyiko ngithi I wish ukuthi ngathi ngatrain abanye kube nabanye engizokwazi ukuthi batraine bafunde. Yiko ngithi there are two abatrainile okay fine bebeze ngokufunda la abaselisuthu now they've got the big businesses. I'm happy ukuthi banama business abo nabo bahlale abanye yes still contact lo muntu uyakangitshela ama-challenge ahlangana nawo ukuthi uhlangana nama-challenge anjani mina ngidlula kanjani kulawo ma-challenge anjalo ngiba happy ukuthi kuba nabantu abafundayo kimi.
Okay, so yini into yenza ukuthi upushe forward ungawumoya
ukuthi ngene ku-business ngiyithanda into I think mongena kuyo uyithanda uyithatha ukuthi it's my baby ayikho into engathi izoba difficult kangako ngoba njengomntana wakho momkhulisa usuku umthanda naye injalo business it's love kimi akusase ukuthi kangako yini it's love nje engithandayo.
And then abanye abomama message ongayiphandle abanye abomama
ukuthi abomama ukuthi baqine. They say ukuthi noma ngabe uthengisa ama-sweet estradini noma ngabe uthengisani ube ne-discipline usitshele nje ukuthi ufunani nje life you go further ungawo umoya ngoba obvious baba khona abantu abazofuna ukubuyisa umoya but mawuzazi ukuthi ufunani life yinto nje ngasho ukuthi be strong. Yes.
And then kwamanye ama-hustlers ungathi abaphanje abanjengabo
abangawumoya ababe ne-spirit go forward noma ngabe ku-difficult kanjani but mawuwa vuka uyithintithi usukuma ubone ukuthi uwiswe yini yiko ngisho ukuthi it's not easy yes but if ever uyithanda into uyaphambili with a smile futhi noma ukwatile ungena with a smile ngoba always wesisikhathi ama-custom ngithi we got challenges sometimes abanye bafike banjani but uyakwazi ukumkhama down umuntu ungamphenduli maybe that's a thing ukuthi angibaphendule rafa ngiyithanga umuntu noma ngiyamehlisa ngim-explainele kahle ukuthi hayi into ihamba kanje ba-understand.
During ama-phones ngiyakhumbula nami ngiyangafona la then you find ukuthi ungifakele credit then le credit leyo mhlambe mina ngicredit story ngithana uyifakanga. So how did you handle that commotion? Because I used to remember abanye will complain ukuthi hayi nawe fakanga imali yami ngithe ngifakele randi azange ngifake I give you 10 rand. So how did you manage to handle all that pressure?
Sasa ama-public phone we had a problem kakhulu futhi kubantu mayingena ku-voicemail abantu bebenga-expect ukuthi iyacharger ku-voicemail athi angikhulumanga. You have to ukum-explainela ukuthi noma uzwe loya mlungu yami iyacharger. It's not about a-controller yini. The meantime mina bengifakele umali wayibona ukuthi ngifake i-1 rand. The meantime yangena ku-voicemail iyacharge but it was difficult ngoba abantu abaningi bebengakabi nama-public bangakabi nama-cellphone. Abantu they don't understand ngoba it's bokwambuza ukuthi cishe ifana ne-cellphone beba difficult abantu they don't bebenga-understand but funeka uba-handle in a way explain umuntu sometimes uzukhathala but you have to explain as I understand na bagcine seba-understand.
Yeah, because I remember the only bovela nje le tsholi ukuthi like customer ihleli la ibhizi yakuthunga.
Iyo ngithi there are things ama-challenge uhlangana nawo. You get insult, you get sometimes omunye azathembisa ngokukushaya but
athi uzosinda ukuthi usivalele ngapha.
Yes, uba polite uyazi ukwabona ukuthi you explain kakhulu even now abanye abantu njengama smart ID you have smart ID momenzela yona copy it's both sides front and back. Umuntu akhona abantu abanga-understand momenzele yona athi moyenze back lento uyenze front and back athi no mina bengifuna front kuphela bengathanga back. Explainele ukuthi no now i-ID yayibona ine barcode bazoyifuna nale barcode engomuva now yiyo ngisho ukuthi bayaya ba-understand ukuthi i-technology i-change every time funeke sichange nathi sibuyeke nge-technology.
So the main thing here is about the customer care.
Yes, that's a thing important. Ukuthi how to you engage nama customers.
Nama customer wakho, ne?
Yes.
Okay.
My business is based at Klipspruit, 515 Emakubu Street. It's a Tuesday you safe. Ne opposite ye Welizibu Primary School.
Uvula from next year until Entambama.
Summer ngivula ekseni ngo-8 until 6:30. Winter ngivula ngo-8 until ngo-5:30.
Holidays.
During the week, even it's Monday to Sunday. Except holiday ne Sunday ye month end. I'm not open.
Okay.
Nama holidays again. I'm not open.
All right.